Hi, I'm Chris Klug. As a three-time Winter Olympian, I've traveled the world on my snowboard. I can tell you the ski and snowboard access doesn't get better than this.
Welcome to 460 Thunderbolt Lane at Aspen Highlands in Aspen, Colorado. Lot 3 was the first choice prior to any development on Thunderbolt Lane and a favorite of Aspen Highlands developer Jerry Hines, with its top of Thunderbolt location and world-class ski-in, ski-out access. This is the ultimate Aspen luxury ski and snowboard property. The home boasts spectacular views overlooking the lower Maroon Creek Valley and Aspen. The house was designed by award-winning Colorado architect Larry Yaw. This mountain estate is accented by raw elements, including large wood beams, custom ironwork, etched Crystal River glass, and Colorado quarried farmer's stone. Respected and renowned local builder David Lambert Construction completed this 6-bedroom, 6.5 bath, 8,047 square foot, warm and comfortable mountain home in 2002 with exquisite plaster and chestnut finishes. The main level opens to an expansive outdoor stone patio featuring a large fire pit and jacuzzi with walkout ski access. The guest master suite above a one-car garage, complete with office, large walk-in closet, and bar, provides easy access off the entrance staircase for guests and visitors. The cozy library den with gas fireplace and wood paneling are a perfect reading and relaxing location. A private elevator connects the main floor to the lower and upper levels. The private master suite off of the south side provides views of Highlands from the lounge area, complete with gas fireplace and stone patios going from mountainside to cityside. 2 ensuite bedrooms complete the upper level. The lower level includes a large family room, an exercise room, a bunk room, workshop, and oversized mudroom. An ADU, guest nanny suite, with separate entrance can be accessed from the side of the oversized 2-car garage. Take advantage of the Ritz-Carlton amenities at Aspen Highlands Base Village, including pool, jacuzzi, workout facilities, and limited shuttle service. Visit www.aspenluxuryskihome.com to learn more about this Aspen Highlands slopeside masterpiece, or call Chris Klug or Arlene Ginn at Aspen Snowmass Sotheby's for more information today.